Mastering the slopes, the art of skiing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of skiing, particularly focusing on what it means to ski down the slopes. This phrase is not just about the action itself but carries the essence of skiing as a sport and a joyful activity. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or a skiing enthusiast curious about the linguistic aspect, you're in the right place. Ski down the slopes is a phrase that encapsulates the action of moving downhill on snow using skis. Skis are long, thin pieces of material designed to help you glide over the snow. The slopes refer to the sides of hills or mountains that are covered in snow and are suitable for skiing. When we talk about skiing down the slopes, we're talking about the exhilarating experience of navigating these snowy terrains on skis. Skis are the foundation of this activity. They are specially designed to carry a person over snow. Understanding how skis work is crucial to mastering skiing. Slopes. The term slopes can vary in difficulty, from beginner to advanced levels. Slopes are often categorized by their steepness and the type of terrain they offer. This categorization helps skiers choose the right slope for their skill level. Skiing down the slopes is more than just a physical activity. It's an experience that combines the thrill of speed with the beauty of the snowy landscape. It's about embracing the challenge of the mountain and enjoying the sense of freedom that comes with gliding through the snow. For many, it's a way to connect with nature and enjoy the great outdoors during the colder months. 1. Start small. If you're new to skiing, begin with easier slopes and gradually work your way up. 2. Safety first. Always wear the appropriate safety gear, including a helmet. 3. Take lessons. Consider taking skiing lessons to learn the proper techniques and improve your skills. 4. Stay in control. Learn how to control your speed and direction to navigate the slopes safely. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning behind skiing down the slopes and inspired you to either try out skiing or learn more about this fascinating sport. Remember, skiing is about enjoying the journey down the mountain, embracing the challenges, and appreciating the beauty of the winter landscape. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on the slopes.